wetlands of the Amur's two headwaters play an important role in the migration patterns of many birds. On their long journeys, the migrants need resting places where they can safely refuel. Among these birds, the swan geese stand out. Their feeding habits are unique. They dig deep craters into the mud to get to the tender roots of bog plants. In contrast, avocets scan the shallows near the bank for small crustaceans and insects. This way, there's plenty of food for all. Black-tailed godwits poke deeply into the fine silt for mollusks and worms. Behind them are journeys of thousands of miles, from wintering grounds as far away as Australia. The two source rivers, and the Onan, spring from the very same mountain. It's the highest peak around here, densely wooded at its base, its valleys secluded and nearly inaccessible. This summit is one true source of the Amur River. Burkhan Khaldun, the Mongols' holy mountain near the Russian border, a sacred place once known only to its keepers. This is where Genghis Khan, father of the Mongols, is believed to have been born and lies buried. He established his empire here and decreed this to be holy ground, its wild nature never to be touched. For 8 centuries, the Mongols have respected the Khan's command. The sacred mountain of Genghis Khan milks the very last clouds drifting inland from the Pacific and ultimately feeds the source rivers of the Amur. These rivers link the arid steppes of Mongolia to the pristine woodlands of Siberia and northern China. From their confluence downstream, the Amur River runs through some of the planet's largest unbroken forests. The river soon gathers momentum. An immense network of streams and tributaries drain an enormous catchment area, pouring more and more water and sediment into the Amur's swelling main channel. Along its course, the Amur forms one of the world's longest river borders, with Russia's endless wetlands and wildwoods along the left bank. On the bank opposite, China's richest farmland that feeds millions of people. Flowing in Russia's far east. Near the Pacific, in steaming summers, animals from the subtropics meet with others from Siberia. The stately Amur drains into the Okhotsk Sea, which boasts one of the richest ecosystems on the planet. And this on the planet. The big cycle begins anew, with Pacific clouds drifting inland and feeding the Amur's network of waterways. Asia's Amazon.